Hey, how you doing? This is the tow guy pulling in.
Who is it, I'm sorry?
It's the tow company.
Oh, the tow company? Yes, give me a second. Would you be able to come to the office?
Yeah, I can drop by there.
Okay, thank you.
Yep, no problem. Thanks.
Bye.
Just trying to get a scoop on that, where this car is at that they want towed. But I got to go by the office. Probably show it to me on a map or diagram or something. Either way, we're back on another property here. We're going to yank somebody's car. This is a cyclical type of work. Call after call after call. Anyway, we're going to find out right here. Pulling up to the office right now. We're going to find out where that car is at. We'll go scoop it up real quick. Don't go nowhere. Anyway, I just got the rundown. Anyway, that's why it's being towed. It's been a real busy week, man. On the go. Anyway, stay tuned. Hell, it ain't got no tag on it.
No.
Well, and it's got a sticker on it right here, too.
Then I'm going to move it then. I'm gonna take it.
Well, you're going to have to move it. When you get a sticker, you got to call somebody. Or the tow guys, when that sticker gets put on there, yeah, there's a tow guy that's gonna come behind that sticker and tow it.
Oh, okay.
So just so you know, if you wanna move it, you move it. It's up to you.
Okay.
Anyway, she pretty much knew that somebody was gonna come back and tow that out of that truck. If she don't move it, I'll come back and get it. Oh, that's for sure. No tag. She said she knew it had a sticker on it. I guess she just thought nobody was going to show up, or they're always there. They'll come out, they'll run out and leave in the truck before the tow guy can hook it. Anyway, we'll go up there and grab another one. Anyway, we're rolling up on another one over here. We're gonna try to get it hooked. It's kind of a tight spot. Got a little front end damage on both sides. they have to tow it. They're trying to clean the property up.
But they said they were trying to call the towing
Yeah,
guy.
they
They said they were trying to communicate.
Because it was their fault. They made the mistake.
It's their fault.
Yeah, because
We just got off the phone with them, and they
literally.
got off the phone with us to try to call them.
Yeah.
so hopefully they pick up now. He was literally on the phone with them now.
Yeah, I understand. But I got it on the truck, and I got to do what my dispatch tells me to do. Hey, y'all definitely don't get hit. Hey, don't run. I want y'all to make it worse. You know what I'm saying?
If the dispatch tells you to take it off, you still can't do it.
And she's not going to tell me to take it off because the property basically has towed. And I do appreciate y'all staying calm because not everybody,
I know it's
not
your
everybody
fault.
stays calm.
Yeah, I know. It's not your fault.
And the best, I give you best advice is to, like you're doing now, and try to be as nice as you can be,
Right.
and that you get the best outcome from them.
Right. I know it's not your fault.
Yeah.
I've been having those problems with those apartments for a long time now.
Well, you know what? A lot of apartments tow.
Yeah.
They have to tow. There's police in there right now. There's been something went down earlier. There were 3 Gwinnett counties. I don't know what it was. And the sheriffs are in there too. They have a lot of stuff going on. They have to do the cars. They have to tow the cars. If they don't know whose car it is, they see the office don't know it's your car. Because they hadn't registered it yet, so they don't know if it's stolen. They don't know. They just towing it. They didn't know it was your car. They probably wouldn't have towed it. You know what I'm saying? If they didn't know it ahead of time, they wouldn't have towed it.
We told them ahead of time too when they put the sticker up there.
Really?
But it was a miscommunication between them.
Yeah, they just got, it's such a big property, man, and there's so much going on. It is, man.
Yeah. All right, man.
It's hard. Have a good one. Thanks,
you.
man. Yep. This Jag's got wires hanging off the engine. It don't run, so I'm not going to offer him to pay it out if it don't run. Anyway, he'll have to get it from us at the yard. Anyway, stay tuned.